Today on the gun bench, we are out at the gun range with the CZ P01 Omega 9mm. This is the Omega model, which can be converted from a decocker, or you can have a safety if you want to carry cocked and locked. This has been around for many years. The P01 at least has, and it's a well-known carry gun for a lot of people. I picked it up because I've wanted one for a while, and I'm really considering switching from striker fired to hammer fired for carry. I've carried striker fired guns for 10 years, probably at least, and so it's a big decision. I don't really have any rhyme or reason to do it. I do tend to shoot double action guns a little bit better, just straight out of the box. And my carry gun I can shoot, extremely well with. But I'm taking this gun out today mainly to get some rounds through it, because it'll take me a few months before I would actually, at least I'd say a few weeks of shooting and training with it. If not, I would, a couple months to, dry fire training, to retrain everything that I've done over the last year with striker fired guns, and mainly Glock and the MMP. So that's something that I'm still considering, but it's not nothing that's definite. I don't really have any rhyme or reason to do it. I just really like the P01, and I figured I'd show it to you while I'm out here. These are cool hand grips. The gun, this one has nice sights, and got a little checkering on the back, checkering the lines on the back, lines on the front. Of course, the gun is empty. Nice, perfect size. It's 14+1 with the flush mags that come with it. You have, like I said, it's a decocker style, so you carry it in double action mode, which does have a very nice, decent trigger. I'm not gonna say very nice, but it is good. It's got some take up here before you get to the double action pull when you're in decocked mode, which you will be. So it's got pretty decent, but when you get to single action, it's got some take up there with the brake. It's pretty nice. This has a few Cajun upgrades, not anything significant. It's got a few small things, but I'm going to get the defensive package ordered and put it in here soon. So I will be doing a video on that, and along with the complete disassembly video. I just want to get it here first before I do. So let's just go ahead and shoot it. This is a 9mm. We got another mag here loaded up with these have all been 115 grain reloads that I've shot, which is about 4 grains of tight group. So a decent load for practice. Let's go ahead, put my ears back on, see what we can hit out there. I'm really shooting well with this gun. This is my first day shooting it. I've got a couple mags to it already. Seems to be a real nice shooter, so I'm pretty happy with it. So let's go ahead and get out here and start shooting. I'm going to go ahead and take off and see if we're pulling out a needs quite a bit of practice here to make me feel like I'm comfortable with this gun as I am with like my MMP or standard Glock 19 or something. I do want to shoot a little bit more. The other video I wasn't planning on filming today, so I forgot my tape that I load on and everything. So I'm standing here loading up. Let's see what else I can talk about the gun. It's like I said, 14+1, so you've got the capacity in a small package. You can switch it if you want to carry it cocked and locked like a 1911. You have that ability. The parts come in the box, or retail on it, it depends. It's either from $450 to $550, depending on where you buy it at. You can always send it off. You got Cajun Gunworks out there who does some of the best work there is for CZ pistols, and they sell all these kits. If you're not comfortable putting them in, they will do the work. CZs are they're not terribly difficult to work on, but they are, for somebody that's not experienced taking guns apart, they can be pretty tricky. They're one of the harder ones out there. Once you do it a few times, though, you get used to it. So grips too. The original grips that are on, I really don't like. So these grips came with it. Of course, I traded for it like I always do. Traded a AR pistol I had hardly nothing in, so it was worth it to me. Something I wanted. Like I said, I might end up carrying this gun. I might maybe go appendix style. I don't know. I doubt that, but I really like the steel frame guns. I like to stick with the same gun. I know there's people out there who carry. They post on social media that here's their everyday carry rotation, and they've got a Glock in one, and then a 1911, and then a single action only gun with a safe on 1911, or double action single action gun, something like that. And I just think that's in my opinion stupid, because you need to. I feel you should have the same manual of arms every day you go out. So if you go from having a 1911 or a striker gun, no safety Glock, something like that, and then you pick up your 1911 one day, and that day you need it, you go to pull the trigger. Of course, that's all muscle memory and stuff, and that's what they say, but you don't know what's going to happen until you're in that situation. So let's go ahead and shut up and shoot this thing. I'm gonna move the camera around so you can get a little bit more up close view of the gun itself getting shot. Let's go ahead and chamber one, decock again. Yep, drop it in the dirt. Hey, why not? Let's get it dirty. Because get it dirty and it didn't chamber. We got dirty. That first round didn't chamber off the bat. We're out here in the field. Let's just go ahead and shoot that round one more time. Now I do like that, but everybody always frowns against it. So let's go for that longer target. It's about 25 yards out. Nice. So it's definitely going to take some getting used to, switching from my M&P. This is I've carried this for quite a long time now, and I've also carried Glocks and things like that, and I like to stay with the same manual of arms. But feelings change, and I really love this gun. This is the only thing, the real reason why I'm considering switching, is I just really like this pistol now. It's really grown on me. I've read a lot about it. A lot of CZ fans really like it, so it feels super good in the hand, and that's something CZ's always had. They always probably will. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I will say that has a rail up here, so if you wanted to put a light on it, you could. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to bore you guys loading up mags and giving you more information about it. But I do thank everybody for watching. This is the CZ P01. This is the Omega. I will put a link up when the disassembly video is done. It's probably going to take me a few days, but I'll get it done this week. And when the Cajun Works trigger, all that set comes in, I'll show you how to use that, how to put it in. And this will be pretty much the same for most Omega pistols. So we'll see you next time on the Gun Bench. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you did, and we'll see you next time.